The mantel is the highlight of the living room, so give it the attention it deserves with a purposeful, stylish arrangement. Let's get started. For this mantel, we'll be using the triangle method. This just means that we'll start with a statement focal piece at the center to anchor the look, and we'll add decor on either side. Your focal piece can be any shape, an oval, a square, or a circle, like this clock. Be sure to hang it safely and securely. A pop of greenery brings life to the mantel, and you can easily swap out your bouquet to match the season. It's a quick way to add a festive touch without needing to redecorate the whole mantel. On the other side, add stylish contrast by using a shape that's different from the focal piece, like this rectangular frame. Then add some depth by layering in smaller decor. Candles, trinkets, and even more floral elements fill in our arrangement marvelously. Finally, add a low accent in the center, one that won't cover up the focal piece. This'll bring both sides of the mantel together. These tried-and-true design techniques are simple and customizable, so you can create a stunning mantel display that suits your home. Use warm colors and glowing candlelight to instantly liven up the space. Or make a statement with bold colors. No matter your style, this method can serve as a useful framework for personalizing your mantel at home. For more inspiration, subscribe to our Hobby Lobby YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we add new videos. We can't wait to help you live a creative life.